Hi students, I welcome you all for the sessions. Today we'll be going to discuss on the continuation on chapter 3, that is trigonometry functions. So this is lecturing is seventh one, so that is part 7. So in last class we discussed about trigonometric identities. Means what? The formulas or expressions we have been derived in yesterday class. So those are will be called as trigonometric entities, and today will be you have to remember all those formula. Okay, you have to remember all those formula. This remember or you knowing this formula will be helpful for solving the numericals or problems. So then we I just revise those formula, so you just note down all those formula in a separate page. So this will be helpful for solving the numericals. Okay, solving the numericals, and you have to remember this formula. Okay, so we'll be discussing those formula. So I will write only formulas only directly here. So the first formula we discussed is that sine square of x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Okay, this is the first formula we discussed. Again, this we can write as cos square x, we can write as a 1 minus of sine square x, right? So I'm taking this term in this right side. And how we can write a sine square x? Sine square x we can write as a 1 minus of cos square x. Okay, is it right? Okay, the second formula we discussed is that 1 plus tan square x is equal to what? Secant square x. Okay, secant square of x. Now the third formula is that 1 plus cot square of x is equal to cosecant square of x. Okay, the fourth one formula is that, so the fourth one is okay, the fourth one is we discussed about negative angle, right? The sine of minus x is what? So it is minus sine x. Okay, and what about cos of minus x? Cos of minus x is minus, not minus, plus cos x. Okay, cos of minus x is plus cos x. So, and what about tan? Tan of minus x, it is obviously minus, because as it is a ratio of sine by cos, sine is negative, therefore it is negative. Okay, minus tan x. Now seventh one is that, so seventh one so is that, so cos of, okay, we derived the expression of uh, cos of cos of cos of pi by 2 minus x is what? Sin x. This one we have derivations, and also we can identify from the quadrantal angles. Okay, the directly we can identify from the quadrant angles, and you consider this is as a formula. Okay, and the sine of pi by 2 minus x is formula we have been derived, it is equal to cos x. Okay, and we know that sine of pi by 2 minus, this is in first quadrant is positive, cos will be converted into sine will be converted into cos. Either you can remember like this also. Okay, and now ninth one we have derived an expression of that is cos of x plus y expression we have derived. This expression maybe you, it will be asked in your examinations, you try to practice this expression, right? Cos of x plus y is what? Where here plus is there, and when we are writing cos of x plus y, then first two terms are cos only comes. Okay, first two terms are cos only come, that is cos x cos y. Here plus is there, in minus will come here, therefore it is sin x sin y will come. And what about 10th one? So 10th one is it is minus cos of x minus 1. So here formula will come same only, but here instead of minus plus will come. Okay, when minus is there, then it is plus will come, then this is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, isn't it? Okay, you just check these formulas are correct or not. Okay, if any mistakes is there, you just inform me. Okay, then now 11th one is that okay, sine. Now this cos is over, now we can write formula for sine of x plus y. When sine of x plus y is asked, first term is sine, second term is cos, and here plus is there, plus will come, and here, so this first term is cos, second term is, okay, second term is sine. Understood? Okay, now on 12th is that sine of x minus y, same formula. Okay, same formula, so that here minus will come. Okay, here minus will come. Okay, this is sin x cos y and minus cos x sin y. Okay, so both in this formula both are same, but plus minus will come. But here, so the here plus means minus, minus means plus. Okay, this will be reverse, and first two terms are cos in this two terms, and here sin and sin. First is sin and cos, and second is cos and sin. Okay, likewise you have to remember. Okay, likewise you have to remember. Now sin is over. Now we come to the tan. Okay, so sin and cos is over. Now we come to the tan of x plus y. Okay, tan of x plus y, how we can write? So we can write for tan of x plus y is tan x plus tan y. Okay, so here plus, then it is plus will here tan x tan y, and here 1 minus of tan x tan y will come. 1 minus of tan x tan y come. Okay, now 14th one we can write tan of x minus y. Okay, what is tan of x minus y is here minus there. Minus means it is tan x minus, here minus will come. Minus means minus will come. Tan x tan y, and here obviously 1 plus will come. Okay, 1 plus will come. Then it is 1 tan x tan y. 1 plus tan x tan y, isn't it? Okay, this is all. Now we can write formula for the, I will take another marker. Okay, formula for the formula for the cot of x plus y. So cot of x plus y. So here cot of x plus y, first this term. Okay, we give cot means 1 by tan, so we have to write the reverse. So this reverse means it is cot x. Okay, cot y minus 1 come. Okay, minus 1. Okay, this term, like this term, denominator term, it is 1 minus, but it is cot of, it is cot x cot y minus. Okay, this is similar to this, right? Cot of x plus y, this is similar to this, but here 1 minus there, but here we are writing cot x cot y minus 1, and below term is what? Below term is same, cot x plus cot y, or you can write a cot y cot x. Okay, cot y cot x. A reason I will tell you why I am writing here cot y first, because we are having cot of x minus y formula is, so what it comes here, it is cot x cot y. So here plus will come, right? It is plus will come, then it is here cot y minus cot will come. Okay, cot y minus cot x. Therefore here cot y term will come first and minus will come, therefore I am writing here cot y, the same meaning. Okay, here the same cot y I am writing. Okay, this is cot y plus cot x, cot y minus cot x. You just remember these things. Okay, now 17th one formula we okay, 17th one is that, so now we are writing for the cos 2x. Okay, cos 2x. So cos 2x, we have written four formulas. One is cos square x. Cos 2x is also equal to cos square x minus sin square x. This is one formula. And also we have written cos 2x in terms of cos square. Okay, 2 cos square x minus 1. And also we have written formula of cos 2x is 1 minus 2 cos square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x, and cos 2x also we have written in terms of tan, right? In terms of tan, how? 1 minus tan square of x divided by 1 plus tan square x we have written. Is it right? You just check. Okay, now 18th one. So now 18th one is sin cos 2x is what? Now we will be sin 2x. Sin 2x we have written two formulas. One is sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Okay, 2 sin x cos x, and another formula is in terms of tan, that is 2 tan x, 2 tan x 1 plus. Okay, 1 plus, here 1 plus tan square x, and 19th one is tan 2x. So here tan 2x formula is similar to the this formula, but here 1 minus will be there. Tan 2x is the 2 tan x 1 minus of tan square of x. Okay, this seems to be similar, but here minus only difference is there. Okay, minus difference is there. Okay, now tan sin 2x cos 2x tan 2x is over. Now we come to the 3x. Okay, sin 3x. Sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, 4 sin cube x. And what about cos 3x? Cos 3x, we write first term is 4 cos cube x and minus 3 cos x. Is it right? Okay. Now the next one is tan 3x. Okay, what is the formula for tan 3x? It is 3 tan x minus tan cube of x divided by 1 minus 3 tan x. Okay, 1 minus 3 tan x. Okay, so 3 tan x minus tan cube x, 1 minus of 3 tan x. Here this term is same. Okay, like that you have to remember. Okay, now come to the uh, now come to the different. Okay, now come to the another formula, that is we discussed about cos of cos x plus cos y, cos x plus cos y. Okay, so what is the formula? So when cos x plus cos y will be asked, here both term will be cos 2 times of cos of x plus y divided by 2 and cos of x minus y by 2. Okay, when this is cos x plus cos y, then both this term is cos, and when it is minus cos x minus cos y, then it is both term will be sine, but here we are having minus 2. Okay, minus 2, and both term will be sine x plus y by 2 and sine of x minus y by 2. Okay, you write note down all these formula, right? And now cos is over, then now we can write sine x plus sine y. In sine x sine y, 2 into first term is sine. Okay, second term is cos. Okay, first term is sine, second term is cos will come. Cos will come. Now, next is sin x minus sin y. Here, in this case, first term is cos. First term is cos. Okay, first term is cos. First term is cos, and second term is sine. Isn't it? Okay, you have to remember like this. And also, we from these, so from these, we have been derived other four formulas. That is, one is here cos plus cos y we have discussed, right? Here is cos x into cos y. Here, okay, cos x into cos y, it is what? So it is 1 by 2 of, when we are adding this, when we are adding cos of x plus y, right? When we are adding cos of x plus y and plus cos of x minus y, then we got this term. Okay, when we are adding the cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y, we'll be get the 2 times of cos x cos y, but 2 taking I'm this side. Okay, 2 taking I'm this side. And next, when we are when we are taking the difference of this cos of x plus y different and cos of x minus y, we got the term of okay, we got the term of sin x and sin y. Okay, this is minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is minus sin x and sin y. Okay, sin x and sin y. And when we do the as addition of sine of x plus y plus sine of x minus y, then we got the expression of, here first one is sine x, second one is cos y. And subtraction, during the subtraction of this sine of x plus y subtraction of a sine of x minus y, we will be get here first term is cos x and second term is sin y. Okay, all these are formulas, right? Okay, all these are the formulas you have to remember. Okay, you have to remember. Okay, all these formulas you just remember these formulas. Okay, so total 20 24 formula we have been discussed. Okay, now we'll be going to discuss on examples. Okay, we'll be try to solve the examples by using the concept of these trigonometric entities. The first example is that the first example is that, so prove that, so okay, prove that prove that 3 sine pi by 6 into secant pi by 3 minus 4 sine 5 pi by 6 pi by 6 into cot pi by 4 is equal to 1. We have to prove this one is equal to 1. Okay, how now we can take this LHS terms. Okay, now we take the LHS term here. This is the LHS term, this is his RHS term. Okay, now this sine, okay, sine pi by 6. Okay, sine pi by 6, I'm just writing the direct value here. Okay, writing the value here directly. So sine pi by 6 means it is 180 degree. 180 divided by 60 is 30 degree. Sine 30. So sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. And now next is secant pi by 3. Secant pi by 3 means this is 180 means 3 180 divided by 3 is 60 degrees. 60 degrees is secant 30, secant 60 degree. Secant 6 secant 60 degree is what? Secant 60 degree is 1 by cos 60 degree, right? So 1 by cos is what? Secant. 1 by cos is secant. Therefore, we can write here 1 by of cos 60. So then we know the value of cos 60. Cos 60 value is what? So 1 by 2. Then it is, if we take up, then it is 2 value. Then it is 2. Okay, then minus here. So 4. 4 into sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6, this one we can write, okay, as we already have been explained, this pi by 6 term, right? This pi by 6 term I am writing here separately. Okay, pi by 6 I am writing separately. Okay, 6 1 means, see here pi. Okay, this is 1 pi. 6 1 pi is 6 pi. 6 pi minus pi is what? 5 pi. Okay, this 5 pi by 6 I can write, this term I can write as pi minus pi by 6. Okay, what we have to do, like when this like problem is given, pi by 6, this pi by 6 I am writing separately, and this one we have to multiply with the one term. Okay, 1 pi, this is 6 pi. 6 pi, then minus, if we are minus 6 pi minus 1 pi is 5 pi. Okay, so here minus come or plus come, we have to identify. Okay, here minus will come. Okay, next is cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 is means what? So it is cot pi by 4 is 45 degree. Pi by 4 is 45 degree. 45 degree is what? Okay, cot is, we can write as 1 by tan. Okay, 1 by tan 45 degree. Okay, cot 45 is 1 by tan 45. So tan 45 is 1 degree. Okay, this is 1 only. Okay, value is 1. So here value is 1. Now we are, this 2 will be get cancelled and 3 remains here. And what about this 4? So sine of this is in which form? Okay, this is in okay, I'm writing here separate. Here it is in pi is 180 degree, right? So it is 180 minus theta, right? It is in the form of 180 minus theta. 180 degree minus theta, that is allied angles. So allied angles, so 180 minus means which angle, which quadrant? So it is in second quadrant, right? Less than, this is less than 180 degree means what? It is in second quadrant. It is in second quadrant. Second quadrant, what is the sign of what is the, what a sign is positive, right? Second quadrant, the sign is positive, and sine and cosecant are positive and remaining are negative. Therefore it is positive. Therefore it is positive here. Okay, and we know that in 180 degree and 360, sine is sine only. Sine is sine only. For here sine theta. So here we will be having sine theta. Sine theta means here theta is what? Pi by 6. I am writing here sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 into 1. Okay. So now this is 3. Okay, you write systematically. Okay, all these reasons you have to write in a separate. Okay, so now for pi by 6 is what? Pi by 6, 180 divided by 6 is 30 degree. So 30 degree means 1 by 2. Okay, sine 30 is 1 by 2. Now this is 2 ones are 2 twos are, now it becomes 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. Therefore this one RHS we got. Okay, this is equal to RHS, hence it is proved. Okay, this is proved. Okay, now come to the another example. Okay, now come to the another example, that is example 2. Okay, example 2 you write. Now we have to find the value of sine 15 degree. Okay, sine 15 degree. So sine 15 degree is not available in your table, because we have in table we have written 0 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree, and 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, 19, then 180 degree, 270 degree, and 360. Only these values we know in the table, right? In the table, without using calculator we have to find the value. Okay, without using calculator we have to find the value. Then how we can 15 degree we can write? So 15 degree we can write in terms of sine of 45 degree minus 30 degree I will write. Okay, so 45 minus 30 degree I will write. You know that sine of 45 minus 30 is 15 degree, right? So sine of 45, sine of 45 Sine of 45 minus 30 degrees 15 degree. Okay, now it is in which form? Sine of x minus y. So it's sine of x minus y, right? We know that you just write here sine of x minus y is what formula, that is it is minus, right? Then first term is cos will come. Okay, first term is not okay, here minus is there, then it is the sine x, sine x sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. This is the formula, right? Sine of x minus y, we know that sine of x minus y is sine x cos y minus cos x cos x sin y. This is the formula. Okay, now you put these values in this formula. Now the sin x is what 45 degree and y is what 30 degree. Now this is the sin x is what 45 degree, y is what 30 degree. Okay, now this is cos x is 45, sin is 30 degree. Okay, now, if we simplify this, so sine 45 value is what? Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay, cos 30 is value is what? So cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2. Okay, and then cos 45 value is what? 1 by root 2. Sine 30 value is what? Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Now if we simplify this one, so we'll be having here root 3 2 root 2. Okay, root 3 2 root 2, and here is what? Minus 1 2 root 2. Okay, here LCM are same. Okay, LCM here 2 root 2 2 root 2 are same, then it about term is will be 3 root 3 minus 2 divided by 2 root 2. Okay, so sine 15 degree is equal to sine 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 2 root 2. Okay, this is clear. Now we come to the third example. Okay, we come to the third example, that is so the third example, so we need to find the value of so okay, find the value of tan 13 pi divided by 12. Okay, tan 13 pi divided by 12. When this type of problem given, so I mentioned that we have to tan 13 pi divided by 12. When this type of problem given, then this term pi by 12 we have to write it separately. Okay, I'm writing here separately pi by 12. Okay, then if I take here 1 times, okay, 12 into 1 of pi is 12 pi. 12 pi plus 1, then 13 pi. Okay, understood. So this is a tan of pi plus pi by 2. This is in which form? Okay, this is in tan of pi is 180 degree. 180 plus theta, right? It is in the form of 180 plus theta. So 180 plus theta means it is in third quadrant, right? More than 180 degree. It is in third quadrant. Okay, it is in third quadrant. So we know that third quadrant, so in third quadrant tan and tan theta and cot theta are positive and remaining are negative, right? We discussed. So we discussed that means here tan theta and cot theta is positive, means here positive value will be got, right? Here positive value, and we know that in that 180 and 360 degree tan is tan only. Okay, it will not convert in so in case of 90 and 270, it will convert it into one form. Sine will be converted into cos, cos will be converted into sine, tan will be converted into cot. But here 180 and 360 degree tan is tan only, then therefore it is tan theta plus tan theta. Therefore here tan theta is what? Pi by 2, this value, this is theta value. Okay, now this is tan pi by tan pi by 12. Okay, tan pi by 12. Okay, tan pi by 12. Okay, so now uh, okay, so tan pi by 12, we got tan pi by 12. So tan pi by 12, that one, so you just calculate 180 divided by 180 by 12. So what degree will be get? 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 1, and then 6 remains, 12 fives are 15 degree. Okay, so this is about a tan 15 degree, right? This is about a tan 15 degree. Okay, this is about a tan 15 degree. This tan 15 degree we can write this is in radian, this is pi by 2 is it radian, and this is in degree. Tan 15 we can write as before we have written tan 15 degree will be written as tan 45 minus 30 degree we can write. Okay, so this is in the formula of what? Tan of Okay, this is in the formula of, okay, this is in the formula of, we know that tan of x minus y is what formula? Tan x minus tan y, 1 plus tan x tan y. This is the formula we know, right? So just I'm substituting the value here. Okay, I'm substituting value here. So tan 15 will be written tan 45 and 30 degree. Then it is a tan 45 minus 30 degree. Then it is a tan 45 minus tan 30, 1 plus tan 45 and tan 30. Okay, is it right? Okay, now this put the value. So if we do tan 45 minus 30 is what? Tan 15. So now this tan 45 is 1. Tan 30 is what? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. 1 plus tan 45 is 1. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, 1 by root 3. So now you simplify this one. Root 3 LCM, you take this one. That is, it is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 will come. And root 3 here, root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 will come. Root 3 will be get cancelled. Right? Root 3 will be get cancelled. Now we'll be having 1 minus, okay, root 3. Okay, we'll be having here tan 15 is equal to, so root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 will be having. Okay, we'll be having this one. Understood? And now okay, this is over, this is over. Okay, this is over. And now the another example we'll be going to see. So this is example number fourth. Okay, you just take this example number 4. Example number 4. Example number 4. Here we need to prove, okay, prove that, so prove that sine of x plus y divided by sine of x minus y is equal to tan x tan y divided by tan x tan x minus tan y. We need to prove this one. How we can prove this one? Okay, take the LHS term. So LHS term is that the sine of x plus y divided by sine of x minus y. These are the direct formula. What is the sine of x plus y formula? Sine of x y formula is sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Okay, what about sine of x minus y formula? Sine x cos y, the same, but here minus will be there, cos x sine y. Okay, cos x sine y. And now if okay, you just here tan x has to come. Okay, tan x means here what we have to divide? Tan x means here we have to divide. So this we divide denominator and numerator by the terms. So here cos x, this cos x means tan x will come, and cos y means it will be get cancelled. Okay, we have to divide cos x and cos y by this term. Okay, you just check here, tan x is there. Here tan x has to come means it has to divide by cos x, right? Cos x is there, and if we, this term has to be cancelled. Okay, then cos y, then cos x cos y. So this divide this term. So this is sin x cos y divided by cos x cos x cos y. Okay, cos x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by this terms cos x cos y. And now if we whole divided by sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y and divided by cos x sin cos y. Okay, now cos y will be get cancelled. Sin by cos x is what? Tan x. Okay, tan x plus, oh here cos will be get cancelled. Cos x will be get cancelled. Sin y cos y is tan y. Okay, tan y. Now this in this term cos y will get cancelled. Sin x by cos x is what? So it is a tan x. It is tan x. And here cos x will be get cancelled. Sin y and tan y is what? Minus tan y. Okay, this is proved. This is equal to RHS, right? So this is equal to RHS. Now we have been proved. Now we take another example, that is example number 5. Example number 5. Okay. So example number 5. So here we have to show that, okay, or prove that, show that or prove that tan 3x, tan 3x into tan 2x and into tan x is equal to tan 3x tan 3x minus tan 2x, tan 2x minus tan x. We have to prove this one. Okay, taking LHS term, I am taking LHS term. So LHS term, that is a tan 3x, tan 2x and tan x. Okay, so this tan 3x, among this tan 3x, so this I am writing separately here, tan 3x will be written, so will be written tan of 2x plus I can write. So I can write tan 3x, I can write tan of 2x plus x. This is the formula of tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y formula is what? Tan x, tan x means here 2x, tan x plus tan y. Tan y is what? X. Okay, 1 minus tan x. Tan x is 2x. Okay, tan y is x. Okay, this is in the formula of this, right? Okay, this is in the formula of this. Now I'm what I'm do, this term I'm multiplying this side, then it is tan 3x, okay, tan 3x into 1 minus of tan 2x into tan x. Okay, and then this term remains here. Okay, tan 2x plus tan x. Is it right? Now I'm multiplying these terms, tan 3x, tan 3x and into tan 3x into tan 2x and tan x, and this is equal to tan 2x plus tan x. Is it right? Okay, now we have to, okay, this tan 3x, tan 2x and tan x, this is equal to this term, right? This term LHS term is we are having here. Okay, this LHS term I'm taking that side. Okay, then it will be positive, then it will be positive. This I will take this side, then it will be negative, then it is tan 2x and this is minus tan x. Okay, this I'm taking this, then it is positive tan 3x, tan 2x, tan 2x, this is tan x. This is, this term is LHS, right? This is LHS and this term is what? So this is RHS. This is RHS. Hence, this is proved. Hence, this is proved. Now we come to go to the, now we go to the another example, that is example number 6. Okay. Now we can take another example. Example number 6. We have to prove here cos of pi by 4 plus x. Okay, cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 of minus x is equal to root 2 cos x. We have to prove this one. Okay, how we can prove? So you just observe that, so this is cos x cos y, this is in the formula of cos x plus cos y, right? Okay, here x is what? Pi by 4 plus x, pi by 4 plus x. Y is what? Pi by 4 minus x. This is in the formula of cos x cos y. What is the formula of cos x and cos y? You know, okay, cos x cos y is what? 2 cos of x plus y divided by 2 and cos of x minus y divided by 2. This formula we know, right? So I am putting this value in this formula. Therefore, this is cos x is pi by 4 plus x and cos y is what? Cos of y is pi by 4 minus y. This whole term is, okay, this is whole term. Okay, this whole term, okay, this is x also. Okay, this is x also, then here I am writing x. Okay, now I am writing this 2 cos x is what? This is x. Okay, pi by 4 plus x. Y is what? Plus pi by 4 minus x, then it is divided by 2. Okay, then it is divided by 2. Now I'm writing this one. Okay, now second one is cos of x minus y. Cos of x, x is what? Pi by 4 plus x and minus minus pi by 4 of minus into minus plus, here plus will get. Okay, this is divided by 2. This is divided by 2. Okay, now you simplify this equation. You simplify these equations. Now we'll be get 2 cos. So pi by x will be get cancelled. It is 2 pi by 2 pi by 2 pi 2 pi by 4. Okay, 2 pi by 4, 2 pi by 4 divided by 2. Okay, 2 pi by 4 divided by 2, and this is what? Cos of here pi by 4, pi by 4 will be get cancelled and 2x by 2, so then it is 2 2 will be get cancelled. It is cos x only. Okay, it is cos x. and therefore if we simplify further this one will be get, so 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are, this 2 will be okay, this is a 2 cos, 2 cos, here pi by 2, okay, pi by 2, and 2 will be come to the top, it is 1 by 2, then it is pi by 4. Okay, if we take a 2 on the top, then it is 1 by 2, right, then it is pi by 4, then it is cos x. Okay, cos x. Now 2 pi by 4 is 45 degree, 45 degrees to 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2, and then second term is cos x. Okay, now this 2, so this 2 term I can write as a root 2 into root 2. Okay, root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2 is 2, root 2 into root 2 is what, root 2 square, root 2 square, this 2 and this whole square, and the square term will be get cancelled, we'll be having 2, therefore I'm 2, I am writing root 2 into root 2 2 times, and into 1 by root 2 is here. Okay, 1 by root 2 is here, and cos x, and this root 2 will be get cancelled, we'll be having root 2 cos x. This is nothing but RHS, right, this is nothing but RHS. So right, this is RHS. Okay, now we, okay, we'll take another example, that is example number 7. Okay, example number 7, example number 7. Okay, example number 7. So here we need to prove cos 7x plus cos 5x, cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x. Okay, which you just observe that is equal to, we have to prove as a cot x. You just observe that. So okay, so this is in which formula? This is in formula of what? So this is in the, okay, this is in the cos x plus cos y formula, and below term is sin x minus sin y formula, right? Cos x cos y formula is what? 2 cos x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. This is the formula, and sin x minus sin y formula is what? So when minus then first term is cos will come. Okay, then sin x plus y, and second term is sin. Okay, sin x minus y by 2. This is the formula, right? Now we have to put the value of these things. Okay, so now we can write cos 7x, cos 5x, and now this sin 7x minus sin 5x. Here x value is 7x, y value is 5x. Okay, we put this value, cos x is what, 7x, and y is what, 5x by 2, and cos 7x minus 5x by 2, and denominator term is 2 cos of 7x plus 5x by 2, and second term is sin 7x minus 5x by 2. Now if we simplify this one, okay, simplify this one, okay, simplify this one, 2 cos 7 plus 5 is 12, right, 12, it is 12, 12 by 2 is what, 6x, cos 6x, that's cos 6x, right, cos 6x, and this is 7 minus 5 is 7 minus 5 is what, 7 minus 5 is 2, 2, 2 by 2, it means it is cos x. Okay, now this is so this is what, 7 plus 5 12 12, this is cos 6x, and 7 this is sin, this is will be having sin x, this 2 2 will be get cancelled, cos 6 will be get cancelled, we are having cos by sin, cos by sin is what, cot x, then it is equal to RHS, right? This is equal to RHS. Now we have been proved LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, this is over. This is over, and next we'll be going to discuss on exercise. Okay, we'll be going to discuss on exercise. Okay, we'll be going to discuss on exercise in the next class. Okay, that is exercise the 3.3. In 3.3 exercise, we are having 25 problems, total 25 problems. I will try to cover the 25 problems in the next class. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for the notifications, and please do share with your friends and like the video. Thank you.